Let's take a look at an example in the editor.
In this program, we are asked to graphically represent if a number entered by a user is positive, negative, or zero by drawing a plus sign, minus sign, or zero. I started our code by writing functions that draw a plus sign, minus sign, and zero, using all the commands we've already learned. So let's start by asking for user input. We can write number equals int input enter a number. Once we get this value, we want to check if it's positive, negative, or zero. We'll start our if statement by checking if the number is positive. So if number is greater than 0, then we want to call our draw plus function. Next, we'll check if the number is negative. So elif number is less than 0, we want to call our draw minus function. The last condition is if the number is 0, but that's the only last possibility. So all we type is else and call our draw 0 function. Let's see how this code works. Good. Negative. Good. And positive. Great. Use if-else statements to write the next set of Tracy programs.